Another lesson that I've learned is that when having a question about something, the ego is loud and the soul or the intuition is very quiet. But also keep in mind that this is the main part that you should remember when asking questions about most things that you are needing in life for yourself and your higher soul and your soul to evolve. And keeping in mind this, know that sometimes this gets a bit tricky, but let's start off with this first part. You grasp this first part, and then after you grasp this first part, I'm gonna let you know more on the second part.